Alright, so I reached for a tissue and I noticed an odd static electricity phenomenon. And I wanted to record it because, boy, that's weird, isn't it? This red thread and this very fuzzy blanket is reaching for my hand every chance it gets. And it's standing up on its own. This is no optical illusion. It is standing, and it reacts from quite a distance. Alright, now, I have a static electricity issue. Oh God, I'm filming in portrait. People always complain about that. Let me try turning it and see if that helps. So, I've noticed that when I pet the cats, we always get shocked. We get shocked horribly. And there's this rock that the people that owned this house before us, a painted rock that they left to prop open the door to the bathroom. So, for some reason, I put my hand on the painted rock. My left hand on the painted rock, and I was petting the cat with my right hand, and we no longer got shocked. So I remembered this crystal. Oh, wow, it just went and grabbed the crystal, didn't it? Or is it? Yeah, it's grabbing for the crystal. Huh. So, last night, I tried an experiment of holding this crystal in a hand. Wow, that is just crazy. Okay, so I'm going to hold the crystal in my left hand and the phone. And it's still, oh, it's even like twisting. And this is just crazy. I don't know if this is a natural phenomenon or if this is related to Morgellons or what it is. But anyhow, there's a tip. If you get shocked a lot while you're petting your cats, hold on to a rock in one hand while you pet them with the other.